What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay you guys, so your girl is back with another Shein curve haul or plus size Shein haul, but this haul is gonna be a little bit different because I bought a whole bunch of like workout clothes because your girl's trying to get a little fit, you know, trying to get a little healthy, trying to be thick, fit, or whatever. So yeah, I'm on this weight loss journey. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you know all about that stuff, and if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me. I'm just gonna, you know, link it right here so you guys can go follow me. But yeah, I am starting a new like workout health fitness routine, and so I needed some workout clothes because, to be honest, if you're somebody who struggles to work out and stuff, if you get you some cute workout clothes, you'll want to work out. So I bought a whole bunch of workout slash athleisure wear type of clothes, cute clothes that I can wear to go out, but I can also wear it to like run errands and stuff. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff. I have a whole DHL bag full of stuff, and these here, like everything, I could even get everything to fit back. I don't know how they got everything in here, but yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff. I did order these on a Monday, and I did qualify for free express shipping because I ordered so much things. So I did qualify for free express shipping, and you guys, the stuff came in 2 days. Okay, I ordered it early Monday morning and everything was delivered to my door Wednesday afternoon. So I just wanted to put that out there just to let you guys know what the shipping is looking like, because I know we're in the pandemic and everything, but this did have free express shipping and the stuff came in 2 days. So yeah, so if you guys are ready to see all of the cute workout and athleisure wear that I got from Shein, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first set of clothes I'm actually already wearing, and up first we have this black t-shirt that says black is my happy color, because black really is my happy color. This phrase works for me literally and contextually. Black is my happy color, meaning like melanin is like popping, and black, literally black, because I live in black. Like I love black. So yeah, I did get this t-shirt in a 4X because I did want it to be a little bit on the bigger side. It actually doesn't fit as oversized as I wanted it to. My regular size is a 2X, by the way, and I always go up 1 or 2 sizes when I shop on Shein. So just as a disclaimer, all the prices and sizes and everything will be on the screen. But yeah, I really do like this shirt. I think it's just a cute shirt. And you guys, I've actually worn this shirt out already, and I see people looking at me, and everyone's looking like, black is her happy color. I know they're looking at me, and especially since this whole Black Lives Matter movement is going on, I know everybody's looking at me like, girl. So yeah, I really do like this top. It's just a, you know, plain t-shirt type top. The quality is actually really nice. I wasn't expecting the t-shirt to feel so soft, but it is a very, very soft material, and I really do like it. I currently have it tucked into these leggings, which I also got from Shein, but I'm gonna get to that in a second. I do have it tucked in, but this is what it looks like if it's not tucked in. You know, it's just a regular plain t-shirt, like regular schmegular. And then the bottoms that I have are these cute leggings that have these stripes on the side. It has 2 white stripes and a red stripe in the middle, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. So I thought these were cute. And I also got these in a 3X, but to be completely honest with you guys, I could have got these in a 2X because these are so stretchy. First of all, they're a very cottony material. They're not like that leggings athletic wear material. Like, yeah, I know what that material is. It's almost like a smooth, silky-ish feeling material. It's not the material. It's very cottony. Like, it's very like the t-shirt, which I was very surprised about, and it has hella stretch. Like, it's big, and since I've been wearing it, it's gotten big too. So I could have definitely went a size down. So if you do want to order these, I would recommend probably going a size down because they're very, very, very stretchy. But yeah, they're just regular, you know, elastic. They fit high-waisted, and they're very cute. They're not see-through. At least I don't think they're see-through. I guess I'll see when I'm editing this video. But yeah, I really, really do like it. And I'm gonna put the camera down so you guys can see what the bottom looks like. So yeah, this is what the bottom of the leggings are looking like. The stripes go all the way down to the bottom, and the bottom actually does fit like close, like it is tight at the bottom, which I really do like. So yeah, these are these leggings and this top. Okay, so next up I have these shorts here, and you guys, these shorts are actually really cute. So they have the cute little stripes on the side, and it has the little saying on the band. What does it even say? It says sport. So it says sport all around. So yeah, I'm just wearing the same top that I had on before. But oh my god, these shirts are actually cute and they fit well. I can't tell if they're see-through. Let me see. They're see-through. They don't look see-through. I can't tell, but I'll see it when I edit the video. But yeah, these shirts are actually super cute. They fit really well also. I did get them in a 3X because I always go up a size, but these are actually cute. Like, these could easily be worn out. Like, you could dress this up with a cute top, like a really nice graphic tee with some like sneakers, and this would be a cute outfit. Like, I actually really like these shorts. Like, girl, these are cute and they fit so well. Like, I don't know, I really like these shorts, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about these, because these are cute and they fit really good, and I love the stripes at the side. So yeah, these are these shirts. Okay, so the next bottoms I have are these long leggings. And I don't know, you guys, I like these, but there's something weird about the fit of them. Like, I feel like they don't have a lot of bum room. So I feel like these are gonna be those leggings that you always have to pull up, because I don't know, there's just something about the fit that it just doesn't, it's not sitting as comfortably as like the shorts or the other leggings that I had. So I don't know, but anyways, this is what they look like. It has the band with the writing on it. This one says love all the way around, and then what's cute is that the bottom says work it girl. Nope, I lied. The foot says be that girl. So I thought that was really cute. They feel good. It's just that it has a weird, I don't know, there's something about the fit that is just a little bit weird. Like, I know I'm gonna have to pull these up all the time, so maybe I'll just wear these to work out. I won't necessarily wear these to like run errands and stuff, but I do like that it's high-waisted. It does come up, I just know that it's gonna slide down. So this is how they fit. I can't tell if they're see-through, but this is what it looks like. It goes really nicely with this top actually, because it has the white text here and the white text here, and then the white text at the side. So it is really cute. I do really like these, and these will be perfect to work out in, but I don't think these would be really good to run errands in, just because who has time to be lifting up their tights all the time? Like, I hate when I have to be lifting up tights all the time. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. But I do really like these. The material is really nice. It's a very nice material. It's not very cottony like the first leggings. It has this nice, I don't even know what material this is. It has a nice feeling. That's all I can tell you. It just feels really good. So yes, these are these leggings. Okay, so these are the next bottoms that I have. They're very similar to the previous leggings, except these are capris. They don't go all the way down. You guys, this is not fitting right. I cannot get it all the way up. The material is stretchy. It's not that it doesn't stretch, it stretches, but something around this area just isn't working out. Like, in the back, I can't even get this to, I can't get this to come all the way up in the back. Like, I don't know, like, there's something about this that just does not fit right. And this would have been so cute because they're capris, but like, I don't know, like, I can't. Let me try to like shimmy my way in these. I don't know, it's stretchy, but I don't know if it's because it doesn't have any room for the bum, and I have a big bum, so I don't know if that's the reason why it won't go up properly. But yeah, these are this. I got this in a 3X. It's not stretching as good as the other ones, so it's not coming up all the way. So I guess this is a fail for these pants, and I really liked them, but maybe when I lose some weight it'll fit. So I'm probably gonna keep this and just try to fit in it at a later date. So yeah. Okay, so these are the next bottoms that I have, and you guys, these shorts are so soft. Like, these are really soft. Like, they're almost like a pajamas material. Like, it's just that really soft, cottony, like, I don't know, these feel amazing and they're so comfortable. But yeah, it's this light pink and light blue, almost tie-dye effect shorts. They are high-waisted and have a nice thick band up here, which I like. They're so pretty. They fit really well. They come all the way up. This is extremely stretchy. Like, this has a lot of stretch, so I definitely could have sized down. I could have just taken this in a 2X. Because it is so big or so stretchy, but it does feel really good, and I do like the fit of it, and I think it's just really pretty. Like, the color is just really, really nice. So yeah, I do like these shorts. These will be probably more of a workout shorts than like a running errands type of shorts. So yeah, I like these, and these are cute. So yeah, these are this. Okay, so these are the next leggings that I have, and y'all, I love these leggings so much. It says workout on the thigh here, and these are that stretchy, like, workout clothes material, you know. It feels like workout material. I do really like these. They fit really well. Like, wow, I really like these. It fits really, really good. These are cute. Ooh, I like these. And the bottom does fit tight as well, like around the ankles, so that's a plus. So yeah, the bottom just says work it, or not the bottom, the thigh says work it. And I just really like how these look. Like, this will look nice with a nice yellow shirt. Like, I would wear these to run errands with a nice bright yellow shirt. Actually, I have a neon green crop top that could probably go with this. Yes, like, this is cute. I really, really like this a lot. Like, this just, it fits well, and this will be perfect to work out in, and it'll be perfect to run errands in. So this are these. Okay, so these are the next pair of bottoms that I have, and they are these army or camouflage, whatever you want to call it, leggings that are really, really cute. They fit really well. I can't tell if they're see-through. I hope not, but they're really cute, and it has this green detailing at the bottom on the ankle, only on one of the ankles though. So I really like how these fit. They're really cute. Like, these are nice. Even with this top, it looks cute. Like, this could be a full outfit. Like, I really, really like these. So this is what they look like. They fit well, and of course they're high-waisted, so that's a plus. So yeah, these are these leggings. Okay, so now we are moving into the tops. I'm all done with the bottoms, so now we're moving into tops and like sports bras. So I have this green t-shirt here. It just says social queen on the front. So it's just a basic t-shirt. I honestly got this shirt to go with these pants because I thought the green at the bottom would match the green here at the top, so I thought it would be cute. I find that this t-shirt fits a lot bigger than the black t-shirt I had on before. I got both of these in a 4X because I wanted the oversized look, and I feel like this one gives me more of an oversized look than the black one, so I'm not sure why that is. But anyways, this one does fit a lot bigger, so I probably tuck it in or something, or fold it so that it's not hanging so far down. But yeah, it's very cool, and this feels like actual t-shirt material. The black one had a more softer feel to it, like a softer material, but this one is definitely t-shirt material, and it just fits nice and cool, easy breezy, something to throw on to work out in and stuff like that. And it does go really nicely with the army pants because it has the green at the bottom. So yeah, I really like this top, and yeah, this is this. Okay, so this is the first sports bra that I have from Shein. It's this black, there's a black with mesh detailing sports bra. It fits really well. I'm actually quite surprised on how well it fits, and I'll show you guys what the back looks like. It's just your regular like racer back. I think this is called a racer back. And it actually gives me pretty good coverage. Like, it's keeping all the rolls in, so that is great. So yeah, I'm actually really surprised at how well this fits. Like, this is a perfect working out outfit, especially when I'm wearing my waist trimmer as well. Like, this is perfect. And I really wanted a good sports bra because I want to incorporate like skipping rope or like a jumping rope into my workout routine, and I need something to keep the girls in place. So yeah, I really like this sports bra. Like, I'm actually quite impressed. So good job, Shein. Okay, so this is the next sports bra that I have. It's this really nice, like, strappy detailing sports bra. It's actually very cute. So this is what it looks like. I have this in a black color, which goes well with these pants as well. So yeah, it has this really nice triangle strappy detailing. This is what the back of it looks like, and of course it is giving me all that support in the back, which I really like. So yeah, I'm actually quite impressed. Shein sports bras are actually really nice, especially for their plus collection. Like, this is actually pretty cute. I like the detailing with this. Like, it's very nice. So yeah, this is the sports bra. Okay, and last but definitely not least, I have this other black sports bra as well. It says love on the straps, much like some of the bottoms that I was showing prior. So yeah, this sports bra is just a very basic sports bra. It doesn't have a lot of that reinforced, like, material or like banded material where if you feel very secure in the breast. This is just a piece of fabric. Like, it's not really holding anything in more than what my regular bra is doing, but nonetheless it's still very cute. This is what the back looks like. So it is crisscross in the back. My straps might be a little zigzagged and stuff, but yeah, that is what it looks like in the back. Very nice, very cute. And yeah, this is that. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my plus size Shein haul with all of my athletic slash athleisure wear. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below on what your favorite outfit was. I really liked those shorts with the two stripes at the side. Like, that was really cute, and I loved the sports bra with that strappy, like, triangle detailing. Like, that was really cute. I definitely think I'm gonna go back on their website and order some more cute pieces, because now I'm ready to work out. Like, I got all my cute stuff and I'm ready. So I really liked it. So yeah, comment down below and tell me what your favorite pieces were. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, because I have 2 more Shein hauls coming up real soon, and you don't want to miss out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.